joy and singing and praises and dancing and laughter and testimonies will be mighty strong in Cagayan de Oro City this October 24. Happy anniversary. We would like to greet you in behalf of the national office here at His Life Ministries. Congratulations and happy 16th anniversary. Pastor JR over here telling you to keep on and keeping on to glorify God and make disciples. Make sure to win one more this new year going into your 17 years. One more soul, one more family, one more purok, one more barangay, one more campus for the Lord Jesus Christ. You can win them by praying. You can win them by intercession. Do that as we celebrate the faithfulness of God for the past 16 years going into 17 years. I would like to congratulate the team of Pastor Raymond and Sister Ellen there at Cagayan de Oro City, together with the entire family of His Life Ministries. We bless you. Happy 16th anniversary. Keep on winning just one